Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. This is Gail. Today I have some incoming mail from Mika. I'm assuming it's our garden party swap. Now, I was supposed to send her garden party and birthday mail. Her birthday was April 4th. Yeah, I'm still working on it. I just haven't had any crafty mojo, so I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. So I just wanted to come on and share this mail really quick. And, well, not really quick, but before I get started on what I want to do for the day. And I'm just going to hop right in. Excuse my chair. It is so loud. I'm so sorry, but I really need a new one, but it just hasn't happened yet. All right. Oh, so she gave me, yay, candy. Alrighty. Who doesn't love a chocolate? So I'm going to put that there. And, oh, a really cute, I like this color palette of this paper collection she used. And I will read that off camera. And she's got lots of pretty shred. Ooh, this shred is like soft. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like, I don't know. I like it. And something smells good in there. All right, so let me just move this out of the way. I will save the shred, but Claude will try to eat it, as we all know. And so we've got Valentine's. Oh my goodness. I have a feeling. Okay, so this is Valentine's. I wasn't sure what was going on. I wasn't expecting a box at all. Like, she didn't tell me she was sending a box. I love these creamy popsicles, and it's so cute. She embellished it with bows. And it looks like she has some stuff wrapped up here that is delicate. So let's start with that. Okay, so this is our mailbox. We were doing the Dee Dee's Craft mailboxes for our swap. And if you see my nameplate here, I'm just trying to like figure out where my frame is. So she's used really cute gold foil. She's used red and pink. And hi. Actually, this is none of your business, so you can just go back to what you were doing. All right, so she's got it embellished really cute here. I love these little foam. She's put them up on pop dots to give it some dimension. These little glittery letters are so pretty. And then on the front, she's used these dies we're all obsessed with right now, the word dies. Valentine. And I believe these are Michael's hearts. So let's see what she has in there. Oh, I see shakers. My boo, the new shaker queen. All right, so she has sent me some little ribbons here. So cute. Hey, this is not your business. Oh, I'm sorry. I love you. You're a good boy. I haven't been in my craft room a lot, so he's probably like super confused. Oh, I realized I have my camera up down. My camera's right there, so sorry if I was out of frame. Now he's like trying to be aggressively lovey and sweet, but can you not right now? Alrighty, so, oh, a Whack-A-Pack. I couldn't find any Valentine's ones this year, so I'm actually going to do that one later. I can't wait. Okay, and then, come here. Oh wow, so she got this ticket shaker, the big one. I love it so much, and she's put a really cute shaker mix. Boo, I'm so proud of your shaker. She herself deemed herself shaker challenged. So she used to be shaker challenged, but now she is the shaker queen. So I hope you can see it all this. I'm trying to keep everything in frame. So we have really cute ticket shakers. Oh, that is, what do you call it? The new collection for this year, Happy Hearts or something like that. I love this die. Now, I didn't pick up this die, but this is really cute, and I love how she popped up the center heart on some really thick foam. That foam is thick. So just really cute layered embellishments here, and I like how she has this like glittery hollow on these two. I think hollow goes so well with Happy Hearts. So cute. Oh, this is so cute. Look at these pretty bows. So she did bag topper. She knows I hate doing bag toppers. I really just don't. I just can't be bothered. So she sends me bag toppers often. And I love the, what do you call this? Hollow sentiment. So cute. Can you just mind your business for one time in your life? So really cute embellishments there. I'm going to try to move him, but I know he's going to bite me if I do that. Can we just Can we just not at least get out? Oh, he's cute though. Okay. Okay, we love you. I know everybody. Ow, chomp. Chomp. Ow. Okay, bye. Okay. You never. Okay, this is what's smelling good. Ooh, lemon. Oh, yeah, I'm keeping this in here so it can smell good. Perfect. Oh, I love these little towers. So she has a whole little tower of little goodies here. So let's see. The top one is, I forget what you call these, like blingy beads. But I've never seen these rainbow ones. That's so cute. Oh, that'll be so cute with birthday stuff. Let's see if I can get them back in there to fit. I think they have to be just so. I'm taking one out. I'm taking one out. There we go. And then in this one she has, are these beads or just like the little, oh yeah, these are beads. Wow. I've never seen those ones either. So lots of colors. I'll have lots of occasions I can use those for. And here's some just little, oh, these are cute. Just little hearts. Cute, cute, cute. And then these look just like some little cabochons. Oh my gosh, a little hedgehog. Cute. Oh, a Starbucks. I'm a unicorn. Starbucks. Oh, she got a Hogwarts in there. A G for Gail, for my name. These are really cute. Where are you getting all these? And they have little sticker backs. Cute, cute, cute. So thank you for sharing those. And the bottom is just some pom-poms. Who can't use those? Oh, cute little gummy bear. That'll be cute for Valentine's. Cute, cute, cute. And then it looks like we have some more goodies in here and embellishments. Oh, oh, she got this Scrap Diva. Something kind of got something. I don't know. Something gold looking, but I'll fix everything. All right, so cute. And she's got a little brad, so the thing actually turns. That is so cute. I love the paper choices. She did the glitter blue that goes so well with the happy hearts. Let's see what's happening in here. Oh, this is so cute. I saw this at Michael's and I didn't get it. And now I have it. So, so cute. Thank you so much. That'll be so cute for packing up Valentine's mail. This is what happened with Valentine's Day. We had agreed to do Valentine's Day swap. And then it just got like completely, I don't know. It was like over a month later and we're like, okay, we're still working. And then her daughter was like, y'all need to just call it a L and just be done and send each other what you have. So that's what we ended up doing. So here's some stickers. I can always use more stickers. These are really cute. So I didn't even see these at Michael's this year. So that's cute because I did buy one of the paper pads, so it'll go with that. And then, oh, she got me a 6x6, a little one. I think I did buy one of these, but I didn't even bust into it. But I think this is going to go so well with Happy Hearts. It's going to mix really well. We'll be able to kind of switch it up. I love it. Thank you so much. And then she got me she said she was going to send me these. I could never find these flowers for Valentine's Day. And she even stickled them. So she embellished them for me. That is so smart, so creative. I love how you thought out of the box on that one. Ooh, and then some Hobby Lobby stickers. I don't have those. So thank you so much for sharing your stash. Alrighty. Oh, she did one of the acetate totes. I love doing these. So this is a really cute. Oh, is this the reaching out? She said she was going to use some reaching out because she had got some. And then, oh, she gave me a, it might have opened. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. So this little washi is so cute. A little mini tube of washi. Oh, it's so cute. It's all fun. Themed. So cute. That's going to be so cute with anything party or birthday related. And then she's got, oh, some dies. She's always giving me dies. And she put it in this cute little organza bag. So let's see what this is. KS Craft. Okay, just go take that. Here, you can have that. Go, bye. Let's see if I can figure out what this is. Maybe coffee stuff? Okay, donut. Oh yeah, so this, I think it is, that's like a portafilter. So it's like, what you would put the espresso in to pull a shot of espresso. Oh, and these are all like, cute. Oh my god. Little coffee beans. Little coffee. So it's not a donut at all. It is, coffee. That is so cute. I love it. I'm gonna have to make some cards for like my coworkers at Starbucks. And 3 different little sizes. I love that. And it looks like they may be shakers. I'm not sure. I can figure it out. But I'll have to make some coffee bean stuff. I can't get it in. I'm gonna put that back after I get done filming. Oh, a really, really pretty sequins mix. So she's got beads in there. She's got some holographic. She's got some little clay flowers. I don't know if the camera's picking up on that, but it is so pretty. Ooh, I really love that. And so like soft and feminine and dainty. I love it. And look at this cute. She did the tote. I think this is a Christian's Crafty Adventures tutorial from, I don't know, at least a year ago. I love it so much. Oh, and she did me a pocket letter. So this is the Jen Hadfield Reaching Out. And she put some of the little shovels in there. So cute. I don't have any colors except for pink and black. So that'll be nice to add to my collection. And then, of course, she always decorates the box. I'm really bad about that. Like, once I'm done with the swap, I'm like, all right, that's it. Bye. Can you just... Oh, I love this. I didn't see this either. I love how she got everything like I didn't see at Michael's this year. At my Michael's, I feel like a lot of the stuff came late. I didn't find it until after Valentine's Day. Something in here is leaking. I feel so bad. It's like gold. Now you're going to be shiny, Claude. Go take a bath. I don't want this stuff on. I don't know if it's safe for kitties. Alright, so sorry about that. This is a beautiful collection. I know she told me about this collection, but I never actually saw it. So it's so cute. And I think it was kind of like released during the pandemic to talk about togetherness and like being together even when we're apart and whatnot. So she made a pocket litter, so cute. And I love this sequins mix. That is so cute. But I'm going to have to ask where she got. That's kind of like a corally sequins. I love that. And she's got besties. Hello, friend. What a cute little... I love this little line and the colors in it. And then love. And a cute little rosette. Life is cool and so are you. And then, of course, we will have to look at all the goodies in the back. It's so pretty. Ooh, she put in lots of stuff. So she's got some donut embellishments there. And dang, another die. Is this a bunny? Teeny tiny die. Hopefully I'm in frame. So this looks like a bunny and... Oh, it's like a little mug. And it's a shaker, so it has the little ears and nose and not... Oh, cute. Bunny mug. Pardon me. Watch out, Claude. Not everything is your business, okay? Not everything is your business. Okay, and then she has some really cute enamel dots. Oh, that'll go really well with happy hearts. Some orange spice black tea. She's got a couple little resin pieces in here with the summer themes. So pretty. Look how pretty Be Free and Shell. Those are really nice. And then she's got some of these little shaker stars in here. These are so cute with the little clay pieces and little beads. I call them BBs in there. Really cute. So thank you so much, Mika. This is so much. There's one other thing that I pulled out and forgot about. And she's always making folios and books and all kinds of stuff. Oh, this is a beautiful collection. Is this the same? The Reaching Out? I do believe. It looks like she had something there and it probably fell off in the mail, in the post. A bunch of shakers and a bunch of bows. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay, this is so cute. I don't have this die. So these are like the safety pin shakers. And she made me 4 of them. So cute. I love this little vellum pocket she did here. Now, did you print on this vellum? So cute. Look at these. These are just so cute. I love it. And that looks like me. I love it. Cute. And these nice bows, these layered bows. Layered bows, I just can't be bothered. And it says hooray here. So that's a cute little embellishment book. I'll have to see which tutorial she did for this, because this would make great kind of like flat mail. And she gave me a bunch of word dies. Oh my gosh. So these are the ones from, I've been trying to get them, but they keep selling out. The ones from Erica Scrap Diva Designs, who got hacked and has changed her name. I don't know what she is now, but I'm sure everyone already follows her and knows what's up. I actually just bought some dies from her and they came in the mail. Let's see which ones I got. We'll do a quick haul in the middle of this video. Oh, I got the camera book, like the mini album, and then the banner dies. I noticed her shipping went up, though. I used to be able to ship from her for $5 and now it's $6. But that's just the way of the world. That's not a complaint. Like, I know she doesn't control shipping prices, but I used to just for $5, because she actually lives near me. So we both live in the metro Atlanta area. And so I would just order, you know, just $20 or $30 worth of dies at a time, because it was only $5 to ship. Crafting Happy. These are so good, and she used a really nice thick and heavy cardstock for the backing pieces, so I know they're going to be super sturdy. And I love these little library pockets. So cute. So Mika, thank you so much. I didn't even know I was getting anything from you, and I'm not gonna lie, like, I've already put Valentine's Day so far in my rear view mirror, because I don't even know if I posted the video of the stuff I made for her, because it was so little. But I'll have to go back and check it out. I really was going to try to put a video out every week this year, and then life just kind of got in the way, and I've just had so much happening. And last week, the last thing to happen was, like, all the electricity in my house went out, so I lost a whole fridge full of food. I had no hot water, no air conditioning, no fridge. I had to go stay in a hotel. Luckily, it's all fixed now, but it's just always something. So hopefully now I can just, no interruptions, get back to crafting and finish up her birthday mail, which is going to be a mix of birthday and garden party. She had requested a pocket letter. So I'm going to do her a garden party pocket letter. And I had started this one. I was like, ooh, I'm going to use the business card one and do a different style pocket letter, but I freaking hate it. I'm going to throw this right into the garbage. It just didn't work out for me. I can't find, I don't know. I just got stuck on that for a long time. So I think I'm just going to toss it in the garbage and move on with my life and try to do something else. But thank you so much, Mika. Look at all this good stuff. I'm not going to lie, like, I forgot about Valentine's Day. But yes, thank you so much, Mika. And I look forward to finishing up your garden party. And then I will share what I made for her when I'm getting ready to send that out. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next crafty video.